In this video, I'm going to show you how to change workspace icon in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the navigation panel on the left-hand side, and then you just want to simply click on the top bar where it has your account. A new option will pop up, but be sure to click on Settings button. Within here, you want to go to the left-hand side again, and then scroll until you see General. Make sure to click on it. And within here, you will actually see an option for icon. Simply click the icon, and then in here you could actually change a few things. Emoji, icons, and upload. In emoji, you could actually pick a specific emoji that will be considered as your icon. What you could also do is within the icon section itself, you can add or filter a specific icon that you can have as your icon. What's great about this as well is the colors can be changed. If you have an icon that you want to upload, just head over to the Upload tab, and then you either want to paste an image link or you want to upload an image. Simply click on Upload an image, and then select the image that you want to add as an icon. You could also add this to Workspace emoji library, and it will be considered as an emoji. Once you're done, you want to go to the bottom bar and on the right-hand side, click on Save. And that's about it. That's how to change workspace icon in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.